Iran's longtime supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, has been killed after a coordinated wave of airstrikes by United States and Israel. Iranian state media confirmed the news early this morning, marking one of the most consequential events in Middle Eastern geopolitics in decades. The 86-year-old cleric, who had ruled Islamic Republic since 1989, was reportedly struck at his Tehran leadership compound during the initial stages of what U.S. and Israeli officials describe as a major military campaign against Iranian military and leadership targets. President Donald Trump announced Khamenei's death, calling it an opportunity for the Iranian people to take back their country. Iranian state televisions and official IRNA news agency confirmed that Khamenei had died and announced 40 days of national mourning along with 7 days of public holiday. State reports also said several members of his family, including his daughter and grandson, were killed in the strikes. Israeli officials said the strike demolished the leader's compound in Tehran and that his body had been recovered, although details remained limited amid continuing hostilities. Meanwhile, various reports emanating out of Iran suggest that crowds have come out on the streets to celebrate. CNN reported news of celebrations in several cities in Iran. According to the news report, whistling and cheering and slogans of death to the Islamic Republic and long live the Shah were heard on the streets of the cities. Fox News posted a video and reported that Iranians were celebrating the death of Khamenei on the streets of Baysat town, a suburb of Gujarat, Iran. Former spokesperson for the State of Israel, Eylon A. Levy, posted another celebration video on X, saying Iranian women are dancing in the streets without hair coverings after hearing that Israel killed the tyrant Khamenei.